Hello sir, how are you? Okay, so let's talk about your website, the first two functionalities. Okay, so this is your website URL, and when we open it, you can see in the menu, get a business coach or consultant. This will enlist all of your coaches and consultants. Business courses will have your courses, and be a coach or consultant where coaches and consultants can come and join you, sign up their profile. Okay, so let's open this one, business courses first. Okay, so business courses, I did not make this a really modern and latest design. It's a simple design. Okay, so these I have added only two courses right now. The first one is free. Okay, this one is it's not actually free, but you have to enroll it. It's actually free, but you have to enroll it to get it. I have to make two kind of courses. So we can put some text here that access these courses or something like that. uh, you can make these courses paid by putting any price, and you have to connect your bank accounts to the website to get the payments. Okay, so let's check the this one course first, test 2 course. Okay, so this is this test 2 course. Okay, it has part 1 and part 2. We can click part 1. So you can add text, videos, all those things. You can create contents like lessons and quizzes and assignments. You can add many more things here. Okay, so this is a very beautiful layout. Okay, I have added text and video. You can go to next lesson. That would be part 2. So here you can see the part 2. Okay, so that's how the courses will show. Okay, so let's go to the home page. Okay, so business courses. Now we see, if we see the test 1 course, which is free actually, but you have to enroll it. This is test 1 course. Okay, so it is telling you that the price is free. You have to log in to enroll. Okay, and current status not enrolled. So login to enroll, it will ask you your logins and login credentials. If you put your login credential, you can access to the course. You can register an account as well here. Okay, so this is it from business courses. So let's go to be a coach or consultant. So be a coach or consultant, I have put some text here. We can add more and more text here. We can change this picture as well. So to be a coach or consultant, they have to put this all information, and when they will put all this information, when they will complete this information. Okay, and when they will register, they will be, their account will be made, but they need to put some more information like what are your skills, and what are your grips, and what are your expertise, these kind of things. We can customize those things as well. Okay, so this is not all the form in one stage. Okay, but if the person has already an account, he will click just to log in his account. Okay, so when he will be logged in, he can make changes to his account, change his bio. I will show you that as well. Now for users, get a business coach or consultant. He will see all the business coaches and consultants here. Okay, so this time the pictures is not here. Okay, you can quickly see that this biography, email address. We can hide email address if you want to, and if he is interested in here, he will click that. Okay, and then he will see all the bio of that consultant or coach. Now here he can see all the consultant and coach of the biography of that man. Okay, the background and schedule and appointment. Here I would put the Calendly link. Okay, and he will see all those things. Okay, so he will see all the bio here, and then he will, if he likes him, he will pay him from Calendly here. Okay, I will put the widget here. Now how they can customize these things, we can see that all these search areas as well. Now I'm the admin, so I can log in as well about according to this man. Okay, so any user can make his account changes easily, like I'm gonna do for this person. Like we can change picture here, we can change picture here. I can put anything here, text, so we can do that as well. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much.